Hi friends, welcome back to another video of WTF is she doing now? So we are going to make delectable cherry rosé spritz. Super easy, anybody can do this, and you just need a couple of ingredients. First, grab some maraschino cherries. Next, a bottle of your favorite rosé. Then a bottle of Prosecco or champagne, and then all you need is an ice cube tray mold. I chose hearts today because it's for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. So we're just gonna add our cherries to our molds. I like to do odd numbers because I feel like odd numbers are lucky for me. So grab a couple, put them anywhere you'd like. Now let's fill up with our rosé. Now you're going to pop these bad boys into the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. So a quick tip about opening a champagne bottle is to not try and wrap your hands around the cork and twist the cork. You actually want to hold it very secure and then twist the bottle. That will give you a lot more security without things kind of popping off and all over the place. So hold the cork, twist the bottle tightly, twist the bottle, and get it. Get it. We can do it. Okay, there you go. And there you have it, friends, a cherry rosé spritz. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.